Now, if you wanted to talk about other people in the room, you could say other pronouns that can be helpful with this is pointing off to the side, which I know in hearing culture, pointing is a no-no, but in deaf culture, pointing is a pronoun. So it's totally okay. It's totally okay. So that person over here, whoever, another human being, is that this sign pointing at another person, not you, not me, pointing over here, can mean he, she, a singular they, whatever, a singular pronoun. If we wanted to say we or us, it would be from my shoulder, my dominant shoulder, curled around to my non-dominant shoulder. That is us or we. That's saying I'm included and you're included. As I curl around, I pointed at you, so you and me. If I wanted to say you all, so you are in this group and so is a group of other people around you, I would point at you and do like a little circle over there. I'm not in this group. It's you guys. Notice I'm still pointing. You all. And if I wanted to say that group over there, them, that group, I would still be pointing, but I would do the little circle. So notice we did a little circle here where you and I were included. We did a circle here for this group, you and that group were included. And we did a circle over here for that group over there where you're not included and I'm not included. It's just that group over there. All right.